Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to Spicy Kitchenary. In this video, I'm making homemade halal fondant. For this recipe, I'm using 4 cups of powdered milk. I will add all the measurements in the description box, please do check it out. I'm using 3 cups of confectionery sugar. It is also known as icing sugar and powdered sugar. They are all same, just named differently. I'm adding half a cup of condensed milk. It will enhance the flavor of fondant. You can also use vanilla essence if you like. I'm going to use 6 tablespoons of lemon juice in all. First, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Rest I will use for kneading. Mix it and then knead it with your hands well until it takes the shape of a dough. Add lemon juice for kneading. If you think your fondant is really sticky and not easy to work with, add confectionery sugar to it. One thing to keep in mind, sometimes fondant gets hard after storing it. If that happens to you, don't worry, your fondant is not ruined. Just take out the amount you need to use, place it in the microwave for 5 seconds. If it is not soft enough, then heat it up for another 5 seconds and then repeat as needed. Be careful, the fondant will be hot, especially on the inside. Let it cool down for a couple of minutes and then sprinkle some confectionery sugar and knead it. Fondant should be stored in the refrigerator and can remain fresh for up to 2 weeks. Wrap the fondant really well with plastic wrap and store it. My son loves to watch Cocomelon. There is a character called Baby JJ that he likes, and I'm going to use this fondant to make a cake for him. So stay tuned for that video. Try it at home and let me know how it goes for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.